watch your children. Children, watch your parents. They don't trust them either.
Oh, you have the right.
Now wave goodbye to those people.
Okay, good.
You're never going to see them again. But you know, though, you've probably never seen them before, so does it really matter? Probably not.
The people on the dock.
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Aubrey, and for the next 3 hours, I will be your skipper, your dance instructor, your lion tamer, your snake charmer. And for the next, if you do not laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. We're going to begin our journey here in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. It's almost every day. You look on either side of the boat, you'll see those really cool butterflies. Now they can have a wingspan ranging from 1 foot to a whopping 12 inches. That's why we call them the rulers of the jungle. Over here, you're going to see Inspiration Falls. We call it that. You know, the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Yeah. Can I hear an ooh? Can I hear an ah?
Ah.
Well, there you go. That's what you call inspiration. Alright, we're going to continue now into the Congo River, and I guess I'll just see how far we can go. Who here has seen the Jungle Book? Raise your hand. Awesome. If you haven't, it's right there. Yes, there it is. And there it goes.
Jungle Book.
Up ahead, I've arranged a pygmy welcoming party, and, well, this is awkward. There's supposed to be people here, but I can't see anyone. Canoe?
Canoe.
What could have scared everybody off? Oh. It's probably this really big snake right here, and he probably scared everybody off. It's actually a ball python. You know, like you know, he's a python and not a boa. No feathers. Yeah. Don't worry though, don't be scared. He's actually a really friendly creature. He'll develop quite a crush on you.
My butt is
But you know, that's actually a really constricting relationship, so you probably don't want to get wrapped up in that.
Look.
We're going to stop by my camp for some snake repellent, but looks like they've just broken everything I own, so there is a plus side. I couldn't get my Jeep to start. It looks like they got to turn over. We're going to continue now into the Nile River. That's the longest river in the world. You'll find out it goes on for Niles. And Niles and Niles, and if you don't believe me, you are in disbelief. It's the word, disbelief. Right here, that's an African bull elephant. Can anyone here tell me how I know that's an African elephant? Just shout it out. No, it's because we're in Africa, but good try. A for effort. Up ahead, you're going to see this really cool looking sandstone thing here. See? Lots of people that tend to take it for granted. It's actually one of our boulder attractions here on the Jungle Cruise. Now, I think it rocks, but not many people share my sentiments. Here on the African boat, though, we do have many amazing animals. We got those, looks like some long-necked cheetahs, some deer, and some really old horses. Yeah. Animals up front, though, I've never seen them before. I think they're new. Right here, though, we do have a family of lions. They're teaching us the #1 rule of the jungle. Don't be a zebra. Don't be that zebra. He's dead. Tired. Dead tired. He's just sleeping, so we're going to let him rest in peace. Right here, though, you folks are going to see the world-famous Jungle Cruise band. They came out here last week, you know, looking for a drum. Apparently they found a horn instead. Oh well, I guess they'll get the point in the end. But you know what? It could be so much worse for them. Yeah, they could be a zebra. As we round the corner, you're going to look to the left. You're going to see the scariest plant in the jungle. Bamboo! Yeah, goes up to roughly about 6 stories high. Some other skippers say 7, but that's a whole other story. Go figure. Up ahead, you'll see the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named the world-famous African explorer Dr. Albert Falls. If you don't get it, don't worry, I'll be going over it later. Right now, you'll be feeling that mist on your face, thinking, wow, that feels really good. Really refreshing, right? And guess what? That's also home to over 1,000 of our jungle bacteria. You're welcome. Now, you know, there are so many people that come up to me and they say, hey, Skipper Aubrey, how did you actually land your job here? Well, it's plain to see. I took a crash course and I've been winging it ever since. But my career never really took off like I thought it would, so that's the tail end of that story. Oh, well, folks, we're now entering into a pool of hippos. You know, hippos, they are the single most dangerous animal in the entire jungle. For instance, just last week, they sank 6 of our boats. Don't worry about it, though. See, only 5 of them are mine. Alright, well, we are now entering headhunter territory, and that is a truly terrible place to be headed. If you don't believe me, just check out my last crew right here. See? They're just a bunch of boneheads. But, you know, I think they had a good time. They're still smiling. Up ahead though, folks, we're going to see some friends of mine. And every time I pass through here, they always want me to find a brand new kind of plant or something. I don't know, they call it ambush. Never seen it, never heard of it, so never found it. See something like that, point it out. Oh, hi guys! Yeah, we're actually really lucky today. These are actually some friends of mine. They're practicing their Shakespeare today for us. You know, to throw or not to throw? That is the question. I don't think we're going to find that plant, but up ahead we did find something pretty cool, folks. Right here, it's going to be the one. The only. The eighth wonder of the world. The... Yeah, that's also known as O2H. Alrighty, we're just going to continue down into the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Cambodia. Oh. Well, that's new. Folks, as you can see, we are now approaching a temple, but I have never seen it before. Should we still go in? No. It's pretty to say that. Well, you know what? It could be just a treasure, but it could also very well be just a danger, so I need your help. Everyone here, you're going to go ahead and do me a big favor. Go ahead and keep your eyes open, okay? My eyes are going to be closed. Which is very lucky for us. I mean, look, we have now stumbled into an Indian elephant bathing pool, which is pretty awesome. Now, folks, can anyone here tell me how we know these are Indian elephants? Anyone just shout it out?
We're in India.
We're actually in Cambodia. I said that before. That's because of their smaller ears, yeah. Now, folks, take as many pictures as you like, all right? They all seem to have their trunks on today. Guess what, though? We are right in the middle of cold and flu season, so do be careful. You know, lots of people, they think that it's water in all these elephants' trunks. It's not. Now, you know what, though, folks? At this point in the cruise, I'm going to go ahead and point out some of my favorite plants to you, okay? So here we go.
She's pointing.
Yeah, those are some of my favorites. Now, anyways, folks, right up ahead, you're going to see my favorite person here in the jungle. This is right here, Trader Sam, and he's actually our head salesman. Unfortunately, though, sales have been shrinking lately, so he's got quite a deal going on. It's going to be 2 of his heads for just 1 of yours. Now, no matter which way you slice it or dice it, I can guarantee you will always come out ahead. Any takers on that? No. It's a real cutthroat deal. No? Okay, maybe next time. And now, folks, just last week I was invited over to Sam's place for a nice little dinner that he was having, and he invited the rest of his family over as well. And I'm like, Sam, I am not a great big fan of your brother. He's like, hey, that's okay. Just try the soup. And I'm like, Sam, I don't really care for your mom either. She just doesn't have a lot of taste. And he's like, yeah, you know, I'm really sorry about that. She's just someone that needs to be taken with a grain of salt and pepper. But I love his wife. I'm like, Sam, you know, your wife, she makes the best stew. And he's like, yeah, she really does. I'm sure gonna miss her though. Now, as you approach back towards civilization, please stay seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And if you're around the outside, watch your arms and elbows, okay? Don't want you scratching our dock. We just painted it. Now, folks, throughout this entire cruise, we have laughed, we have cried, and with my driving, we even very nearly died. And some people think that makes us like a family. Well, just like any family I've ever been in, 10 to 12 minutes together in a small, cramped, confined space is definitely far too long. Get out. Sorry, that was rude. Please, get out.
We can make a wildfire get away.